Sarah the gardener, and spring starts on Saturday. So the question is, am I ready? I'm not sure, really not sure, but I have been working really hard, and so most of the beds are built. I'd say half of them are full. Some of them even have things in them. I have Jerusalem artichokes, I have peas, what else do I have? Oh, onion and garlic. That's about it. Oh my gosh. But we're getting there. I have potatoes in pots for early season crop because we don't seem to get any frosts here beside the coast. So I'm quite pleased about that. I'll be able to grow potatoes all year round at this rate. So we'll have to see how that goes. They've been just out in the garden in a pot because I wasn't ready to put them in the garden. So, but yeah, so there's a lot of things actually in containers that need to go into the ground, but hurry slowly. Oh my gosh. I have to show you what I'm looking at. Hold on. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, there's like chickens are using the edge of my bed as a roost. Little do they know the chicken fence is the next project on the job, because I can't plant into the garden with that lot marauding about the place. They look happy enough. Anyway. Oh my gosh, what cheeky monkeys. Right, I do have a special little chicken. This is Turducken. Say hello. Say hello to the people. The Drosophilus has been raising Turducken since she was a day old for a school project that got cancelled. Yay! So now I'm raising a chicken. She's a great little helper. No, she's not a great little helper. She just follows me around. So we have a lot going on. So with spring coming, I thought I'll do a quick tour and show you where we're at and where we're not at. And super surprise, I have a huge surprise for you. Something that just blows my mind. So come with me, come on. Let's go have a look. There we go. She's ready. Let's go. So as you can see, this will have brassicas. This has actually got peas in there. I planted them on the weekend. So now I've put them under these covers just to stop the chickens digging them up, but so far there's nothing there. Yay! It's the earliest I've ever planted peas. This is where the tomatoes will go, but it's a bed in waiting. Everything kept all safe in there from the chickens. So if I'm not mistaken, that looks like a strawberry to me. Wow. So I best get on and make a strawberry bed. Oh. We had strong winds the other day and it just seems to have burnt some of the leaves off the potato, but no real harm done. The rest of it looks really healthy. The onions are in and doing well, which is always good to see. And there is nothing here as yet. Now my herbs are going to go in 2 beds. So this is the same size as it was last time, it's just split into 2. But one is for my permanent ones and one is for my annuals, because I used to find that my annuals would very easily get caught underneath the growth of my sage, or my sage would get caught underneath the growth of the parsley. So I'm going to separate them out. There are no peppers here, but I have started the seeds. I have my pepper seeds on a heat mat in this container to protect it from being sat on by the cat. And I'll tell you what, my pepper seedlings have the best view ever. So we shall definitely have something to go in there. So I need to get a wiggle on and get this filled. Ah! The sweet corn and the melons, same story. Gosh, what's going in here? Oh, this is my odds and sods. At the moment, it's just a bit odd and soddy because it needs sorting out. There's a bit of work in there. This is where the salad will go, but I'm just using it for potatoes at the moment. And it's going to be a long time before there's zucchini and squash in this bed. My goodness me. These are my other onions. I say other because the ones in the other bed over there are like the storing ones, whereas this is like the red onions. There's a few extra garlic that I grew just in case. Oh, there's weeds. I'm going to start as we mean to go on with no weeds. Ah! Out you come. That's quite a stubborn one. Right. Yeah, so weeds and weeds. So that's garlic, which is an overflow from, just in case I had gaps, but I didn't get any gaps. We've got some sweet peas. There's some leeks, I think. And then there's some spears here that I don't think I'm going to need. And then shallots. So I've got shallots from seed and shallots from the bulb. Oh my gosh, more weeds. Okay, so, oh, and elephant garlic, which is doing really well. Oh, and here we have asparagus. So I've just got this windbreak around it, not so much for the wind, but for the chickens. And look, there is an asparagus. I grew them from seed, not last autumn, but the one before. So they're really good to have in place. And here is the garlic. So I've got two lots here. I've got some earlies and some lates. So the earlies are at the back, and they are, you can see the earlies are looking much bigger and better than the ones that I sowed midwinter. Excuse me, you're not allowed up here. Oh really? Okay, so I'm just hoping in this new environment with its sea breeze will mean will mean I don't get rust. I'm really holding out for it. It'll be awesome not to have to worry about that. Right. Aren't these beautiful? These are red broad beans. They are Huey, and they're really cool. So they just look so pretty and so bright, and they're hanging out in the cucumber bed. It's going to be a long time before the cucumbers need the space, so why not? Leafy greens will go here. Yeah, bit of work to do for the beans. I'm nearly there with the spuds. I've got some chitting inside, so I'm going to plant those on the 18th of September, or is it 16th? One or t'other. 100 days before Christmas. That'll be good. It's almost ready to plant them out. And then the carrots. I could be planting them now, but I want to sieve the soil in for the carrots because it's quite claggy, and so I want to give the carrots the best start, so I've been putting it off. I planted Jerusalem artichoke in here the other day, So still in winter, so it counts. The flowers and everything are so pretty on them. I can't wait to have them in there. There's some more beds that need to be built and filled. Mostly flowers, artichoke, globe artichoke. Rhubarb is going in one of those. And then I've got some bee flowers and some flowers that, beneficials. So it'll be good. Now this has surprised me because on the map, on my plan, it looked really little. But this is supposed to be my fruit cage, but it's giant. But to give everything the space it needs, needs to be this big. It's the same size as it used to be at the old place. It's just formatted in a different way, and I really want to throw a cage over the top. That might have to wait. I'll just have to fight the birds for my strawberries. But this is the most exciting thing. Let me show you inside. You ready? You ready? Look at this. This is my geodesic biodome. And we finished, well, I didn't. My builder finished building it yesterday. Oh my gosh. It's going to be my greenhouse. It needs to be glazed. But, it's going to be fabulous. What a better way to grow veggies in something as beautiful as this. So this is it from the outside. Isn't it amazing? I just can't stop looking at it. I can't wait to grow things in it. And that makes the view from my swing seat all the more spectacular. Oh my gosh. So there's still a lot to do to be spring ready, being as spring starts on Saturday. But I'm quite pleased with how far I've come along. There's still a lot of beds to fill, but some of them I'm not going to need till late October, like the melons, the cucumbers, the tomatoes, the peppers. There's nothing going in there any time before then. And then the others I can just give them priority, like from when I can plant them. So, I mean, I've still got loads of seeds to sow, so no hurry. Hurry slowly. I'll get there in the end because it's just going to be absolutely fabulous. And I can hardly wait. Oh my goodness me. I love it here. We made a good decision moving. Oh, what a paradise. What a paradise. Thanks so much for watching, and take care, and we'll see you next time because spring is coming. Yay! I'm just going to sit here for a bit longer.